New roof installation fits builds with no roof yet. That includes new homes, additions, ADUs, and detached garages. It also fits supplied plan work, where the owner or builder already holds drawings. Every new roof stacks the same parts. The deck is the structural base of wood, concrete, or steel. Underlayment is the water-resistant sheet above it. Flashing seals valleys, edges, wall junctions, and pipes, and the covering sits on top. Bring your architect or builder plans. We read them, then discuss deck, underlayment, flashing, and material choices with you. Supplied plans often name the covering or membrane already. Have 6 things ready: plan status, build type, the system you are considering, stories and approximate roof size, access and staging, and any open permit questions. Each one shapes the scope we describe. Both jobs look similar from the street. Installation covers a deck that has never held a roof. Replacement covers a building that already has one. Estimates for new roof installation are free. Call Santa Monica Roofing Contractors at 424-217-3627. Tell us what you are building, and we will match it to the right roofing work.